So psychosis is more common in patients with bipolar 1 disorder. Remember, those are patients who have not only depressive episodes, but true manic episodes, where they are so high, so grandiose, so euphoric, or so angry, in addition to being patients with markedly increased energy, lack of sleep, rapid speech, rapid thoughts, using poor judgment. In psychosis, all that's magnified. So people may not just feel better like they do in bipolar 2 hypomanic episodes. They may think they have special powers or special abilities. They can break the bank in the lottery. And so they'll go out and spend money they don't have buying lottery tickets, thinking, oh, I've got special powers. I know the lottery winning numbers. Or they take risks they shouldn't take, or they buy stuff they shouldn't buy and they don't need. And so in a psychotic episode, one can get into severe trouble. Psychosis means basically losing touch with reality, either having delusions, false beliefs or thoughts, or hallucinations or illusions, hearing things, seeing things that aren't really real. And in bipolar 1 disorder, those can be really problematic. As I said earlier on one of my other videos, when I started in treatment as a psychiatrist in the 70s, we saw a lot more patients with true mania, psychotic mania, than we do now. Now we see more hypomanic patients, but back in those days, I remember one patient, I got his permission to tell you about him. He believed in his manic episode that what the world needed was world peace. This was during the Cold War. And he believed that the way to get to world peace was through polo. And he decided in his manic psychotic episode that since the world's best polo horses at the time were in Romania, he would just fly over to Romania and buy polo horses so that he could make polo more popular and promote world peace. Well, Romania at the time was part of the Soviet Union. It was a communistic country. God knows how he got on an airplane, but he did. And he got as far as Russia on his way to Romania. And he was so psychotic, God bless him, that all they knew to do is turn his little butt around and put him back on that airplane and send him back home. But in his psychotic, manic episode, it made perfectly good sense. He didn't have the money to get to Romania. He borrowed all that money. And when he came down from his psychotic episode, he thought, oh my God, what have I done?